Hi all, it's Often. I want to show you what I've been working on. This is my official introduction to the OftenDeck OS. OftenDeck is a suite of customized FOSS apps for compact low-power computers. It's designed to be a central writing hub that supports the entire creative writing process, including research, pre-writing, drafting, and publication. And it's a text user interface, and it's Emacs centric. So you navigate up and down using the right knob and left and right using the left knob. And it's designed on the MicroJournal revision 2 revamp. So special considerations were made for Raspberry Pi 02W and for the ultra wide aspect ratio, like this screen right here. So you can navigate around using CXCF to find some document, right? Or you can also use Shift left knob to open the directory and kind of explore around. And when you are on different split screens, so for example, you want to move from this screen to this screen, when you press the left knob, it'll move from there to there. And so if you have multiple split screens, like for example, and you're typing in different documents, then you can easily move to different screens when you're typing. And that's my GitHub page right there. So let's move to the other file, tutorial 1b. So in the previous document, it was showing you how to navigate between two different files. But this one, if you press Shift right knob, you'll see that there's essentially a table of contents, right? So for example, if I were to go to this one, right? This is tutorial 1a. I can go over here, or I can go to like the very end, and I'll go to that file here. Now, one of the difficulties about using Emacs is it has very unique shortcuts called key bindings. There is a way around it by using something called cua-mode. And so this allows you to do something like so highlight something. I can Control X and Control V. You can do it multiple times too, right? But that's usually a crutch. It'd be better just to learn the key bindings from Emacs itself. So you can highlight stuff, you can cut it, you can paste it. But also, interesting things you can do is you can cycle through all of the text that was in your clipboard. They call it the kill ring. So that would be this. So for example, if you copied a bunch of different things, like let's say you copied this, oops, wrong one. And then you copied also this. So when you paste, you can paste all of the things that were part of your clipboard history, which is very useful. Oh, and then what you just saw here was like, if you're typing and there's a spelling mistake, it'll change the color and you can fix it. This file was originally read-only, but I turned read-only off by going cxcq, and now it's read-only. And the good thing is that this file is write protected from the Linux level. So even if you try to save, so here is something, and I try to save by going Control X, Control S, and I write yes, permission denied. So you can play around with this, and you don't have to worry about ruining this document. Yep. And so in the next video, I will talk about the configuration window in TTY2 and other workspaces. If you want to play around and just explore, that should be under Command Right. There. And you have other workspaces too, like TTY3, TTY4, TTY5. And here's TTY1. Great. Hope you have fun. Bye.